She lifted up, that thing shot came and it from there,
Oh my gosh.
but never snapped. It just pulled down this muscle, leave it there, and it left it.
Oh my
So
god.
right here,
Man.
Where?
right in this here.
No. That was in Lugao.
Just belayed his
Okay.
foot.
That was there because that island, there was like 2 or 3 days ago on another side of the village, they killed a cow. So they dumped the whole, see, to the sea. And sharks, when they smell,
Smell blood. Yep.
like they say it has 2 brains. See, it's one brain that it usually functions normally as it swims and sleeps. And there's another brain comes on when it's hungry, when it eats, when it smells the thing. That's why they can bite each other up again. They can eat each other when they're in that mood. But the best thing, guys, don't have fear. My grandfather told us before my wedding day. He's only alive, and he took him up to the. You know, usually when there's after the wedding, you have someone that wishes you your first cheers as a married couple. So he came up and he said that you should carry with you in this world. He said one is doubt, and the second thing is fear. If you have no fear, you can swim from here to America, but nothing will touch you. That's the main thing.